Aray, aray, aray. So my plan is to do a blue glam makeup look. So I need to make sure that I will prime my lid. I'll be using Louise collaboration with Mama Mitchell. So this is the blank canvas. It's gonna be a strong makeup look, so don't worry if it looks crazy because we are going to clean off the excess later on. I'm using a palette today, in black. I want to be glam, but I want colors on it too. Glam doesn't mean always it has to be the smoky eyes or the bronze goddess eyes. You can make it with blue. Here is the shades in my palette. So I will be playing around with Surigao, Cotabato. I'm gonna pack the shade Surigao, Royal Blue Matte Shade. So I will pack the shade from inner corner halfway. It's okay if it's not perfect. Life is not perfect, guys. So let's just pack the colors. I found my inspiration from Pinterest and I don't know how much editing happened to that photo, but I will try my best to recreate it. And we are going to use the shade Cotabato. Let me show you my inspiration. This pretty girl here. Let's see if we can recreate. So that's the outline, like it's just following the hollow bone of my eye. So that's the shade Surigao and the shade Cotabato on the other end. Sorry, it's just preoccupied. But I wanna feel glam today. I don't wanna end my day super shitty. Let's end the day being beautiful. You know when you want to cry but you cannot because you're already used to problems? Looking at it, I'm not gonna like use super black, maybe just to enhance it. I'll be using super deep blue to make my eyeliner. Okay, a bigger pencil brush, and I think I will be using Keso. Do I look crazy? Yes. I have hooded eyes, so you think that's too much? Look when you open my eyes. It's gone. So that's the performance of Surigao, Quezon, and Cotabato. And now we are going to blend it. It really looks crazy, but when we add eyelash later, it will be so nice. So using the same brush, let me grab a matte brown to contour my face. This is Bulacan. Bulacan is a blue under a full tone brown, while Romblon is a warm brown. So we'll be using a full tone. Just pick. You're going to pick up the product, cut the excess, and then blend it just the outer corner of our eyeshadow. You're asking a fallout. There, it's a performance. I think it extend this one too much than this one. That is not good. It's stupid, right? But look at the blending. So we'll do liquid liner with our favorite super cheap Nichido. I'll be using MAC. So I am NC25 for MAC. I'll be using flat brush to apply my foundation, and I will apply it gradually. full coverage, so it's perfect for evening events. I mean, for MAC, Filipinas are usually NC25 or NC35, 28, 25, 28, and 35. And then let's get our fix spray. This is not yet a setting spray. This is MAC's fix spray with vitamin C. So we'll spray that here. And we are going to blend the foundation. I usually start on the forehead because I want minimal product on my forehead. What I'm doing is more on pressing on the product. I'm not moving it. Of course, the favorite of everyone is this baby. Same thing. And make sure we press it properly on the side so that there will be no creasing. As you can see, I'm going back and forth with my sponge because I want to make sure that the product is really pressed on my skin and the product is not moving, so that when you do close up, your complexion is good. Let me just carve this side of my neck. Where is that brush here? I'm using concealer to clean this up. I know I went way overboard, so just grab my brush and slowly curve. Clean pencil brush and then just draw it. It's not gonna be perfect, but at least it has that outline. I'm so annoyed that I cannot perfect it. But that's how it is. I'm not perfect. Complexion and eyes are extended, and as you can see, my eyes is like look like it's pulled up. I will be putting colors on the bottom lash line later on. Let me just put some eyeliner and mascara. So with liner, let's tighten. Not too much because we're going to gradually add it. You did know noise. Next will be eyelashes. And for the lashes, I will be using this. This is my favorite Hillary from my brand. I haven't reordered this one yet because prices went up. And honestly, I'm borderline bankruptcy. So I will push myself to bring this back because these lashes are awesome for like events such as ballroom dancing. So these are like eyelashes for performers. So while the eyelashes is drying up, let me curl my lashes first. I think it's so tacky now. Let me just add the lashes. Let it sit in the center. Like that. Slowly touch it. Closer to your... This inner center here is the most problematic. So you need to make sure that you rest it there. Arrange it accordingly. what I do sometimes is I take a picture while my eyes is closed for me to check if it's attached properly or not. Close my eyes, take a picture, and then I'll review. So this part has a problem. So eyelashes added. Just tie them up. See, this lashes is perfect for those who are into performing arts, dancers, ballroom dancers. For the lower lash line, I'll be using the shade Loca. Now I'm going to do a little bit of contour of my face. Fix spray and my sponge to blend it all in. I'll do my jawline first. And now using a dense angle brush, let me contour my nose. The powder that I'm using is from Maybelline. Now we will be using shimmer. So the glitters that I will be using is this. Let's pick up using some flat brush and then put it in the center of the two colors. Pretty really do the same on the other eye. What do you think, guys? Do you think you will wear this eye color or not? I think I want to bring it in here in the just the inspiration also did the same. I think I put the light here. Let's see if it's not super deep. Not super flat there. So I will just add this bluish green aquamarine here. There, so it's not flat. Same on the other side. Lash line, so I'm gonna stamp. It's not in the plan, but looks pretty. And now I can do the mascara, the bottom lash line. I will do multiple coats. So you have a super dramatic upper eyelash. We are going to do this. And now we are going to blush. Grab a dense one. I'll be using the this is wine but matte type of blush. It's perfect for blue eyeshadows, and since I am morena, this will work. Most people are scared to wear these colors because it's borderline costumey. But if you're someone that is not afraid to wear colors, then why not? And then let's blend it with powder. I'm just using pressed powder. As you observe, I did not even bake because I've already prepped my skin. I know that it will perform well. I use the right skincare product for my oily skin. I'll use Morphe Bite Me. Let me grab my Maybelline. Let's get there. Let me just come back, fix myself. O, diba? Queen. I may have a shitty day today, but this blue makeup glam look really make my day feel so good. So I'm not sure if you guys are into this type of makeup, but if you are, leave a comment below or not. You can say which one suits me best. Sometimes you just need to add. So add blue sometimes and be a queen.